Hey, in this video I'm going to talk about RockAuto. And for those of you who don't know what RockAuto is, it's a website where you can buy car parts cheaper. And I don't recommend that anybody buys parts from them. The number one reason is they have no customer service. I've had two times I've had problems with them. About a year ago I ordered a clutch for my truck, and I saw by the tracking numbers I was going to get it on Monday. So I took the truck apart Sunday night, took the flywheel to have it resurfaced Monday morning. When the clutch set actually got here, it had the wrong pressure plate in the box. So then I had to go buy the clutch locally, send that back, and wait 8 days to get my money back. Recently, I had a customer that had the catalytic converter stolen on his Honda Accord. So he bought the catalytic converter, and then when I saw the car, it needed a flex pipe, an oxygen sensor, and the tailpipe. So nobody had that flex pipe locally, so I figured I'd just order it on RockAuto and save him some money. So it was ordered on December 5th, and on December 10th, it showed that the package had made it from New York to Sacramento. And Sacramento is about 45 minutes away from where I live. The next day it was supposed to be delivered. So the next day, it says delayed. Then the next day after that, it says pending. Then I get an email from FedEx saying because of the storm in Kentucky, they're delaying everything. But this package already made it here. It wasn't affected by that storm. So then I tried calling FedEx, and they said, well, you got to talk to whoever you bought it from. So a few days later, it shows it's on its way back to New York. So I try to call RockAuto, and you get a recording that says that the reason our prices are so cheap is we have no customer service, so you can't actually talk to a person. So then I ended up ordering the parts locally. I got them the next day and got the job done. And then I'm still waiting, and then it says everything has to be done on their website, so I click the button that says I didn't get the package, and it says I have to wait until the 20th. So I'm stuck without the money for 15 days here. Then it says I have to wait until the 28th, so now it's 23 days I'm supposed to wait. And those parts cost more than I made on that job. So I ended up having to dispute this on my credit card, and I'll never use them again now. And it's so much better just to buy the parts locally, so if there's a problem, you can actually talk to a person and get it resolved right away, and you're not stuck without the money.